That's an unusual looking product. This is a Indiegogo project at the moment. Tiger and Rose earbuds that look like tigers. Can I blame you for this, Will?
A little bit.
I can blame Will for this. $59, early bird. They are comprehensive earphones. Beep, 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 beep. I mean, we kind of know what to expect in 2019 with a product like this, and it's become increasingly... AirPods were so popular, people had to go out and make all kinds of varieties of what these things were going to be. This is the most unusual approach that I've seen so far. Just make them tigers. Stable, consistent, Bluetooth 5.0 connection, ergonomic design earphone, clear, powerful sound. IPX5 sweat and water resistant. 4 hours per charge of playtime. Tiger and Rose. Okay. Now this packaging looks a little bit 1.0 at the moment, if I'm being honest. The earbud, by default, does not have an ear tip installed, so I guess you do that part on your own. Very lightweight. I was kind of concerned about that. I was like, that's a giant tiger to put in your ear. It's kind of reminding me of Cybertruck, sort of. All the straight lines.
Sharp angles.
Sharp angles. 1 and 2, and the charge case is the speckled pattern that I expected, though on the Indiegogo they show off many different variations of what they're going to look like. Not tiny by any means. Is it pocketable? Yes, but it's a bit bulbous, I would say. There's an LED indicator on the inside right there, and I noticed this one is customized. Not sure if you can pick that up, Jack. It does say Unbox Therapy right there. There you just slap that on there for us. Can't say I mind. Little extra touch, okay. These are the ear tips and accessories over here. Oh, they say, by the way, each earbud is 5 grams. That's the weight. I'm telling you, they're light. I'm assuming this is not final packaging. At the moment, we got a couple Ziploc bags going on, but Type-C cable, no charge brick, so you will need to use your very own charge brick to go with the USB cable. And these are the ear tips, and they all include some form of ear hook, which is probably necessary because of the design. It's a much larger earbud than what you're used to. It's a tiger. I'm guessing it's just small, medium, large. Well, I'll try medium first. Here. Oh, so there's a little clip on the earbud that hooks onto the ear tip, and then that's what you end up with. That's your final product right there. So you put them in like this, and magnets pull them on to the connector properly. Now you start to understand why the case is as tall as it is, because the ear tips protrude quite a bit, and then now the magnet closes and you're charging them up. So I guess they're in pairing mode right now. I'm gonna go ahead and install these into the ear. Oh, so far not the greatest. Maybe I didn't put that on properly. Hold on. Okay, yeah. I don't think I had it clipped in. So that's what it's like. It's surprisingly isolating. I feel like we got it now. That's what they think the world is gonna look like in 2019. Of course, I got the trusty Pixel 4 XL. This will work on any device that supports Bluetooth, in this case, Bluetooth 5.0. Let's see. Oh yeah, right there, okay. Tiger and Rose P8. Your headset is connected. English accent on the voice. Sensual.
Classy.
Yes. User-friendly features. So the forehead of the tiger is your control. And you single tap to play, pause your song. Okay, that makes sense. And double tap to go to the next song, to skip to the next one. And voice assistant also works by long pressing.
You long press it for 2 seconds to activate Siri.
Is this on either earbud, or is it the left or the right?
It seems like it's on the right.
Oh, wow. Google Assistant just launched, and now it is, of course, taking my instruction.
Oh.
I'm surprised. Honestly, for the price, and I just didn't expect it. I didn't expect that. I'm just going to play some music real quick. Oh, they're loud. These are loud. I mean,
Yeah.
it's what are your expectations? I don't know who these people are. I don't know where these things came from. They just showed up. You throw it on the show, you give it a chance. I mean, this is the version I got. This is what they sent me. If I were to tell you right now, hey man, they sound all right. I don't know these people. Tiger and Rose. They pop up out of nowhere. I think they want to send you this thing. I presume they're going to do that, but I can't vouch for the company. It's a new company. It's not a brand I'm familiar with. Can this become a fashion accessory? Are we wearing tigers? Is this a headphone or an earring?
It's a fashion statement.
I mean, look at that guy on your screen.
Yeah.
He got the beard and the sunglasses. He's got a whole thing going on. I can't pull all that off.
No.
I can say they sound better than I expected them to. The Tiger earbud shows up and we're super early on it. So check it out if you're interested. If you're looking for something different, somebody thinks it's cool. The eyes light up. But just remember what it is. This ain't Samsung. This ain't Apple. Talking about Tiger and Rose. So let's just keep it together, ladies and gentlemen.